Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by allocating resources and grabbing the operating system image. This gives the virtual computer something to run. Once done, open your hypervisor and create a new virtual machine profile using the ISO you downloaded. Give it at least 8 GB RAM and 20 GB disk, attach the virtual network adapter, and enable virtualization extensions when prompted. Make sure to select a sensible CPU count so the host remains responsive. This gets you past the preparatory barrier and into you now install the operating system inside the VM. Follow the installer prompts for language, time zone, partitioning, and creating a user account. While it installs, plan for guest additions or tools. These improve mouse, display, and file sharing, so install them immediately after the first boot. Next, configure networking. Choose NAT for simple internet access, or bridged if you need the VM accessible on the local network. Make sure to update packages and reboot if the installer requests it to finalize drivers. Finish by optimizing and securing the virtual computer. Install updates, set up snapshots, and enable automatic backups so you can revert if something breaks. Once done, tune CPU and RAM in the VM settings if performance is sluggish, and configure shared folders or SSH keys for easier file transfer. If networking fails, make sure the host firewall allows the hypervisor and check virtualization is enabled in BIOS. If display or input is odd, reinstall guest additions. This resolves most post-install problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.